Okay, so today I find this tutorial, simple webpack 3.5.5 tutorial. You can check out the URL here. Yeah, I've done a few webpack tutorial now. I think it's one of these, like 3. Yeah, I just can't get enough with the webpack because, to be honest, webpack is, I won't say it's complicated, but it's, just so many way to configure the same thing and sometimes confused. So I just want to get the best of all the webpack tutorial. Yeah, let's do it. So we make the URL, or make the directory called simple webpack. Into it. Okay, let's read through this, guys. So he's saying this is the update for Webpack 3. So here's they want to do with Angular, but you don't have to do Angular in this particular tutorial. Webpack. So we have the result repository, so it might be handy. I want to get into it. Okay. So installation, usually you have low install as well. So they're using Yarn. So we just use npm install npm init. So yeah, it's pretty nice. They have square box here. Maybe we update it as well. Maybe later because I use nvm. Maybe update later. Good. Because I already have Webpack installed Go bullets. So here this guy is they install locally. Okay, so we come back here. So we don't need to, or at least I don't need to install Webpack locally. You can install locally. Just if you don't have Yarn, you can use npm server so index.html is kind of the entry points, and app is kind of the application entry point. So we embed app.js inside index.html. Okay, so let's follow this for now. Touch app.js index.html, and we copy the doc type, we have lang, we have meta, we have title, and we have script source. Okay, let's save it. And okay, okay. So we do app.js .write say our friends square confusion by server touch webpack.config.js. Copy, and basically it's we delete the path module because later on we need to resolve the path. So say path modules for visual path, and then we have export and html. So we have apps, and basically is like import outputs. So I would say import, and obviously it's output. So it's for webpack. So we output to this directory. So you might have something like this, x.js, y.js, and that's the name of the file names. Save here. Something to explain the entry point for the entry point. So one entry point, the output path, the webpack with the save file, specify the name. We have a hard code, but this will be updated for the future. So okay, and we are ready to rumble. So let's run webpack. So you maybe cat the webpack. So entry points and output. Let's open up a bit. Webpack. Okay, so we're hash webpack time, set size, mid. Okay, now there's where main.js. So that's quite interesting. So it's actually called main.js, and oh, I think that's the trunk name. That's why it's called main.js, because it's this guy. Okay, interesting. I didn't know. Second JavaScript file. Let's create second JavaScript file. Content again. 0 content.js. Servers contents, and then we just export string. Export is kind of like you allow others file to use this guy, use content. So it's like this. And we open up. So YMS require contents.js. I'm not sure why you did the .js, but we do it anyway. For messages, and we save it. Let's run Webpack again. So Webpacks, so this. So we still have the main.js, but we have tool access. So based on main chunk based on the tool JavaScript. Webpack-dev-server. And anything. Oopsie. Okay. We're looking for HtmlWebpack plugin. So we're playing cards. Okay, so we need to add the plugin here. So we do npm adds. And we do here. And we type this.
What type is?
npm adds. So it takes a while to install. You want to learn as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll teach you here. And yeah, so we install HtmlWebpack plugins. And let's update webpack-config.js. And obviously we need to open up Webpack. Okay, so McQueen car, yes. And okay, that's what we do here. So we basically have this new guy here.
What's new car?
New guy, not new car. Okay, let's just put here. And
upside down.
Constants HtmlWebpack plugin, okay. And we have to use the plugins here.
What's that?
And the other bits stay the same. And plugins. Template utilities. And we do okay, so index.html is the template. And we inject into the bodies. And okay, so you should remember here, so the plugin is an array of objects. Array of objects. Okay. So we're telling Webpack to use the plugin and we have injected. So we find here can be used. Okay. This plugin now injected. Okay. This plugin now injected. Therefore, make sure you remove the script tag. Yeah, it also helps you to inject the script tag here. So basically, if you have some content here, the script tag should insert here, like just right before the bodies. and webpacks. Okay, again.
Bye.
Bye. That's for okay. Load template plugins. I think I got this issue last time as well. Is it because I need to install Webpack? So maybe try this. Then Webpacks dev. See what happened. Webpack. Interesting. So you have to install Webpack. So you have to install Webpack locally. So even if you install it globally, it doesn't work. It just gives you warning. Okay. So Webpack. Try to restart. Webpack. So I need to restart the server. Let's restart it. Okay, so we can move file around. Let's see, web.js, content.js, index, src, and we have to say, okay, the source outbox the same, and yeah. So you can see it's quite different. So in the entry point, you have to add the dot here, so kind of full path, and here you just say template now from okay. Yeah, so I assume maybe because we use the kind of the relative part here, so do you have I don't need to specify the dot thing, so it's fucking confused. Anyway, yeah, this it says so we can do the thing here, and obviously we want to add ag.css. So you can CSS here. It's kind of under the just file, and inside it you say background colors and from the font weight. Let's copy here, copy there, and that means later we will reference this file or import this file or require this file, and we say JS, and you can see we import here contents. We create a div documents. You see the ID. We create text row. Add the text there. Okay. So basically writing HTML. So you can see here. What's inside content is the message. Is it the console log or I can't remember. Module contents. Structure. So src get content. So just some text here. Some text here. And we create a div, and div ID is messages, and we create text row with text from contents.js, and then we just put div here. So basically that's what we're doing. Hello friends, and we append to bodies, and that's it. The bug crisis here. So we assign CSS here, so the div can our view have some colors. So we require it straight away. CSS. Please in fact, more better. In order to do JavaScript, so we need to add the CSS loader as well. And because we need to use, or because we want to use CSS, so we need to add the style loader and css loader. So we say ambient at css loader loader.
Papa.
Let me start here. What are you doing here?
我公攞咗。我公攞咗。
我公攞咗。
Yeah.
Okay. And it's done. So we need to add the modules here. So we have plugins. So we like to put the module on top. The rules. So test. What do we test? CSS loader. So we have style loader. CSS loader. So it's on the right to the left. So what's going on here? Visual webpack-dev-server. So we have to install the webpack-dev-server at the very start. So we try to compile first. Webpack .js emit chunk name index.html and okay. So last time we are up to here. So when I run Webpack, you can see it's hash version of Webpack. You can see here is main.js and you can see we have main.js here and we have index.html here. So it's automatically injected for you, embedded here. Pretty cool. Then I have a question, is why do we have so much star here? I'm not sure. And you can see here it's wrong in colors. So let's use library for version. Okay, so we use jQuery here. So you don't see the dash dev here because we added to the dependency. And we say we require content address when assigned to the variables, and here we use CSS straight away. So do use app.js. Simple here. style jQuery require jQuery and so bold it. Message append over. Okay. Okay. Let's go.
He's coming.
Yeah, I don't need it. Bye. So bye. Okay, so we need to use jQuery here. And we just put $sign here. Function. And so define function. Inside it, we say if the messages and text message and then dot and to dot it and say webpack. I'm wondering. So let's read about the webpack-dev-server. So that means I don't need to so let's look for this guy. So running on 1918 from dash s emits. Yeah, so I don't need to run webpack, so webpack-dev-server will do everything for us. And we say here, so the server client 1818, we're doing the app.js 1818 URL index not level socket overlay events. Okay, CSS jQuery. display render flow. So the jQuery permitted to a single chunk main.js. If we get the number of lines in the generate file, so it should be large amount of file. And this create second JavaScript file. Touch render.js. And we need to so we remove this guy and say render so we just require jQueries and webpacks. Okay, so you can specify the length of the ng. So what we can do here is say main render, so main.js render.js, and we have C render.js. Okay, so I'm gonna show him the key and the time the value reference to the entry point, but by default very nice. We need to insert the module inside the so we have plugin and commands. Next, we need to ensure we import module. So I open the chunk. Okay. So you use CommonsChunkPlugin. So we use Webpack in the red top. Webpack dot. So let's copy this guy and save here. So call it render. So it's CommonsChunkPlugin, and where we install it, So it's just coming from the webpack, and when the webpack command observe the content of when the screen sky jQuery okay, I think I know. So we still need this, and put it here. And basically, this just kind of reference jQueries. And so if we go to get main.js, it should be only the main content, so it's far less content. And use other language TypeScript. TypeScript install type for install TypeScript typing for low so ambient add TypeScript. So we have two types, low core JS, I do the same thing, jQuery dev typed ambient add TypeScript. So it's one type, there's another type. Okay, and to configure interesting, I'm not particularly sure. So it's low, is it this for just for JavaScript? I don't know what's this guy. But anyway, it's great touch TS. Maybe do it here. And we don't get raw. Various modules. So here. And we add a TypeScript configs. Just copy this guy. So basically it's telling you it's compile options. I haven't read through this guy, I don't know what they are, but based on this, so we have module CommonsJS. Here's the syntax. Modules will load. We complete configure as your next and return back. We start by installing Webpack TypeScript loader. We could use TS loader, but we use awesome TypeScript loader as it had benefit over the former, so this guy's better. And CommonsJS. What's CommonsJS? CommonsJS. CommonsJS manipulation using some model is the current scope and authenticated component. Here's the trading. Okay. So we need to use the TypeScript loader. And configure Webpack the user by okay, so it's another loader for TypeScript. Okay. Interesting. The top. And save here. So then the file to TS. Yes. Content TS and Webpack. What about vendor? Doesn't mention it. It doesn't mention vendor, so TS. So the new syntax here, content. So ES6 24. Yes. And here we just copy this guy. So here is saying, okay, import everything from jQuery treated as star content message hello friends import style and jQuery jQuery arrow find this that we have removed this content. Okay, see, that's why, because CS file you still need to keep the .js for service. So ng we have webpack. For webpack, notice that we can have this. Okay, so sorry to use resolve here. No to file suffix solve suspension .js you have to linter and okay, let's try linter. Let's come on okay. We have installed so we install linter. So it generate init. Yes. I'll use this guy. Okay, okay. Yes. Not sure can I use here. And so we have to load that. Name JSON to pre-process TypeScript file register a preload the process before processing by using the enforce option with variable plates. Okay. Config TypeScript. So slow. So you can see here it actually does two things. So pre-process, so it linked into the call. Okay. This. Save here. Here's CSS. So CSS. So here. Yes. Source map. Okay, source map for CSS. So source map for CSS. Okay. Let's compare this guy. Okay. This guy. Okay. Webpack-dev-server. So, okay, missing this guy. Expert identifier. Unit. Extension. spelling. Okay, no, it's wrong. Okay, and that's it.